Good morning, class. As you all know, today we are going to discuss different give reasons. Okay, so in different give reasons, I am going to explain you one very important topic because when you will answer those give reasons, you need to know about one very important topic, that is, you must have read many times in the chapter India Climate. Okay, but many of you still don't know what is windward side and what is leeward side. Okay, I know it's a very basic term, okay, which everyone should know, and it's not that difficult also, it's very easy. But still, I know many of you don't know about which side is windward side and which side is leeward side. So I am going to explain that. Okay, understand, because when you will give answer for your give reasons, you should know about it, because in many answers, in many questions, when you will read give reasons, there are many questions in which answer is related with the windward side or leeward side. So let's understand what is windward side or leeward side. It's very easy. As you can see here, I am using India map in which different mountain ranges are marked. So they are very important because for explaining windward side and leeward side, we need relief features. Okay, we need relief features. Relief feature can be mountains. Relief feature means basically highland area. That can be mountains, that can be hill, that can be plateau. Okay, so let's take the example. Let's understand what is windward side and what is leeward side. As you can see, I'm giving you one example. You can see here we have hills of western coast. Okay, this is Indian western coast and these are the hills of western coast. Okay, I hope you all can see steep edge of the western coast, and these are the hills. You can see Cardamom hills are there, Nilgiri hills are there. Okay, and continuous chains of hill is there on the western coast. Okay, so what is windward side? Now if this is hill relief feature, now which side is windward side and which side is leeward side? Simple, the side of the mountain or hills, the side, this side or this side, which one is this side is windward or leeward, or this side is windward or leeward? Let's understand. So the side of the side of the mountain is side of the any relief features like mountain, hills and plateau which face the direction of the blowing winds, which face the direction of the blowing winds. That side is known as the windward side. Whatever part is facing the direction of blowing winds, that part, that front part which is facing that wind, is known as windward side, while the opposite side, which is just opposite side of the windward side, known as leeward side. For example, you all know southwest monsoon winds coming from the Arabian Sea. As these winds strike with the western coast, you all know there are so many continuous mountain ranges, okay, which are stopped by these winds. There's a continuous mountain range or there's a physical barrier. Okay, there is a continuous mountain chain and it is playing role as a barrier. Why? Because when these winds will hit the western coast, due to the presence of this relief feature in continuous chain, in hills in continuous chain, these hills play a role as a barrier and stop these winds. Okay, so these winds, when they blow, they come in a contact with the hills of the western coast. Okay, so the part, these hills, this part which is facing these moisture bearing winds or these winds, known as windward side. This whole area comes in windward side because it is facing these winds. When winds blow, these parts are facing winds, blowing winds, while other part, means this front area which is facing these winds, known as windward side, and the other part of it, like this part, okay, this whole area which is just opposite side of the windward side, which is not facing these winds, opposite side of the windward side or at the back of the hills or mountains, which is not facing these winds, these blowing winds, known as leeward side, or it is also known as rain shadow area. Okay, So opposite side of the the area of the opposite side of the mountain and hills which are not facing moisture bearing winds, which are not facing blowing winds, that is known as leeward side or the rain shadow area, while the front part which is facing those winds known as windward side. Okay, and we all know windward side always receive heavy rainfall and leeward side always receive less rainfall, scanty rainfall, and sometimes no rainfall. Okay, there will be many questions related with this. I hope now you understand the difference between windward side and leeward side. I hope now you'll be able to answer your give reasons well. Okay.